Hey everyone, this is Sumit. I'm founder at Drawbot.Chat, and in this video I will show you how you can create stunning diagrams using prompt. All you gotta do is just write prompts. That's what we are doing these days, and you'll have your diagrams at the end of the day. Okay, first I would head over to ChatGPT and ask it to generate some diagrams. Now there are chances that GPT might generate something a simple mockup for you, but you don't have something like an SVG, PNG, or any sort of asset that you might use. So you can see it has generated a flowchart for us, and this might be Mermaid syntax. First, I have to copy this syntax and then head over to Mermaid, and then I'll have preview of it. But what about the idea of generating diagram by like having a tool dedicated to diagrams itself? All right, so let's see how it work. First, I had to sign up. You see, you have this interface with you. So in the editor you will see the syntax of this diagram, which you can absolutely edit. For example, if I remove this connection, you will see it has instantly removed from this diagram. So this is really handy if you want to change simple details like, okay, I want to change this first name to something else, let's say audience or something like that. So you will have this preview right here. There you can also choose different themes. Right now I added these themes, but I'll obviously add more controls where you can customize it accordingly. Okay, next let's ask the same question here. Let me just copy it from chat gpt. I asked it to create a authentication flow for my next.js application. Okay, let's go. So by the way, you can select two type of diagrams at the moment. Later I'm working on flowcharts and mind maps. So you can generate those using same interface. Okay, so I'm going to ask this question. It is generating this diagram, and voila, we have this simple diagram. And we can ask like other task. For example, can you describe how Docker works? So here another technical question I'm asking. This time I've chosen the block diagram. Let's see. Oh, there we go. We have a very simple diagram. I don't know what that means, but it has generated this diagram, and you can change its theme. Yeah, that's all you can do at the moment. So it's a pretty handy tool if you want to, you know, if you are a content creator or if you are creating simple explanatory videos where you need simple assets, you can generate using Drawbot.Chat. I don't know whether it's helpful for you or not. I just thought I need something like this, so I created it. By the way, this is a DSL, so this is the syntax that this diagram possesses. For instance, here we have the sequence diagram, and the last diagram we have generated is a block diagram, and I'll keep creating more syntax like this. And finally, you can just copy this as SVG, as PNG. You can download it into different formats. So if you haven't tried Robo.chat, I would recommend give it some prompt, and I would really appreciate if I can get some feedback so that I can improve it, and maybe we can cover more use cases.